Ada hormus tamen ang itong kacepat hek cerebro. Ilitum abatay porhinay lang na yung lapen practice bang ikan ansot. Lapuson tak sini la sona video bonda pon lo. Jod ni king nangtum ke Charlie fan asap sotimay akirap long popula ko sama tas ni bonda pon lo. Labang ke English lapen karbi translation. Totang te pada dipin pen a video le langam tuna. Who are you? Komat lo nang like. What is your name? Nang limen kupilo. Please come here. Nang litak wang ikta. Who is that person? Halak e komat lo. That is my mother. Halak e nepai. What is this called? Halapan kupi lo kipu. Speak loudly. Aning je ase pati tutha. Will you come? Nang liwang hima. She may come. Alang liwang tahay. You may go. Nang dam tame. I will come certainly. Niwang wekji. Nang wang wede tahay. You may not come. Do this work. Laso asai claim non. That boy is my son. Halake nilisopo lo. Why did you cry? Kupi atesi kachirulo. Is your name Ram? Nang limen Ram puma. I am here. Niladak sido. Whether rich or poor. Duk sita plang sita me. He is in Diphu. Alang like Diphu sido. Do not do this work. Laso asai klemri. Do not come always. Wang very. You must reach home. Pinihem nang palewek tu. What is the time now? Apol koan lo non. Can I go to Diphu? Ne Diphu dam tamema. Will you go to school tomorrow? Nang lipen ab school tun jima.